Hello, YouTube. A second alien spaceship may have been discovered in our solar system. An asteroid that recently flew near the Earth looks like Oumuamua, a mysterious interstellar object that some serious scientists consider to be the messenger of an extraterrestrial civilization. Similar, very similar. This is how astronomers reacted after looking closely at the asteroid 2011 AG5, which they recently took pictures of. The images of the asteroid were captured from a distance of almost 2 million kilometers. And it was in early February 2023, it flew past the Earth. Several images were obtained using the 70-meter antenna of the Goldstone Solar System radar system in Southern California. NASA experts, first of all, drew attention to the elongated shape of this 2011 AG5, completely unusual for asteroids. The cigar itself is the shape is like cigar shaped, and the objects land about 600 meters, and it's 5 times larger than the diameter. This gave reason to compare it with the giant cigar that flew into the solar system in October of 2017. This is how they describe the shape of that object. Oumuamua, if my Hawaiian is right, or the messenger who arrived first from afar, is the literal translation from Hawaiian. So in the end, that's how the object was called. The trajectory of the object stretched to other worlds, either to the constellation Virgo or Unicorn or Whale. The alien object it astonished so much by its oddities that some quite serious scientists, summing them up, saw signs of intelligent intervention in Oumuamua. The asteroid was abnormally bright. It shone like metal. It had a complex-shaped surface, and most importantly, periodically accelerated, as if someone was or were controlling it. Professor Abraham Loeb of the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, a member of the Presidential Council for Science and Technology of the United States, and the so-called leader of enthusiasts who defend the hypothesis that Oumuamua was equipped by some kind of alien civilization. He even wrote a book based on those arguments, Extraterrestrial, the first sign of intelligent life beyond Earth. And now the 2011 AG5. The fact that the asteroid is interstellar cannot be confirmed. It rotates around the sun, making one revolution in 621 days. But it's not a fact that the object is local. From where and when it started, whether it arrived long ago, this is unknown. It was discovered only in January of 2011. Ranked as asteroids, that's what the object is considered to be. Astronomers estimated the orbit of this invader or guest, and they were quite scared. From the data available at that time, it followed that in 2040, during the next rendezvous or encounter, it might not just fly by. The chances of crashing into the Earth are 1 in 625. That's a cataclysm was very likely. So there were few hopes that the object will just pass by our planet. Well, in 2012, the orbit was rechecked, and it turned out that the fears were baseless or in vain. A collision was ruled out. As the NASA experts now assure us, in 2040, the 2011 AG5 will fly by at a distance of 1.1 million kilometers. How to understand the refinement is not completely clear. Whether the mathematicians were wrong or the object changed its trajectory, deliberately minimizing the risk of collision, which today will surely add optimism to those enthusiasts who believe in extraterrestrials or aliens, call them what you want. The object is both elongated and maneuvering. It seems to be. And also, do you trust NASA that much when it comes to asteroids? I recall how not long ago they basically missed one. Anyway, Loeb's like-minded hypothesis is this. The Oumuamua and 2011 AG5 are reconnaissance alien probes, most likely the automatic ones. One passing through was Oumuamua. It just came across us on the way. Another probe, 2011 AG5, was already deliberately directed specifically into the solar system. It got here and went into orbit around the sun so as to see the most attractive from the point of view of the possibility of life planet. And the orbit of 2011 AG5 is just such that Venus, Earth, and Mars, located in the so-called habitable zone, regularly fall into its field of vision. For example, we're looking for exactly the same objects near the distant and close stars. You do realize that. So far, we're doing it with the help of telescopes. Well, by the way, NASA does not reject the idea of checking how man-made Oumuamua actually is. According to the existing Project Lyra, it is supposed to give chase after the object. The object that is now approaching Pluto seems to be really possible to catch up to, thanks to Jupiter. That is due to the so-called gravitational maneuver, Jupiter orbit maneuver. The giant planet, as if from a sling, will shoot the pursuer, the object, who will also turn on its engines at full power. You just need to choose the right moment to accelerate properly while saving fuel. The speed of about 150,000 kilometers per hour is quite enough. A favorable window for the start will open in 2028. In 26 years, the Earth space apparatus or spacecraft will catch up with Oumuamua. To take a picture of it and send us the postcards, I don't know, already at the speed of light. That's very quickly. Thus, if NASA supports the enthusiasts project, the mystery of the first alien probe, which still haunts scientists, will be revealed in 2056. That's just around the corner, right? The mystery of the second alien probe, 2011 AG5, can be solved even faster. After all, it seems that it is not going to leave the solar system yet, and it regularly appears near the Earth. It would be reasonable to send a mission to the asteroid. I gotta tell you something. I am sure that China will try. Check out my videos in the playlist I'll put in the description to my video, to this video, about Chinese plans to look for alien life in the solar system. And I think they will do this project. So I'll bring you more interesting news about the solar system and what lurks in it and what cometh our way and how we should protect ourselves as the entire planet join forces together. It's possible. Let's see. Please support my channel. If you can support me, you will see description on how to do it in the description to this video. Please like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your attention to my work.